posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Rowan, North Carolina.
North Carolina? That was Rowan.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm
Okay,
warning for Rowan
GSP.
County in the Piedmont of
An
North Carolina
SVR
until
for
7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Damn.
It's 6:47 p.m. Eastern.
Well, it's for Davidson County.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Forsyth County in central North Carolina, Davidson County in central North Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winston-Salem to near Washington to Granite Quarry.
Check this out.
Southeast at 15 miles per
3-inch hail indicator for Rowan.
size hail.
I've never
Source,
seen
radar
that
indicated.
on a pulse storm before. Here, at least.
Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, High Point, Lexington, Thomasville, Linwood, Denton, Gordonton, High Rock Lake, Newsom, and Arcadia. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power
Check
lines,
out the hail core,
homes and other buildings.
And that's
Seek
insane.
shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina.
Well, that's pretty insane if you ask me.
The current time is 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
15 minutes, we're gonna
This
have one
is the
for
NOAA
Rowan.
Radio All Hazards, KJY85, broadcasting from State, South Carolina. For today and tonight.
It is pretty nuts if you ask me.
It's partly sunny, with a temperature of 90 at Statesville, 83 at Greensboro, and 83 at Asheville. In South Carolina, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 88 at Greenville, Spartanburg, and 94 at Columbia. Once again at 7 p.m. at the Charlotte Air.
Compilation!
North Carolina until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Salisbury or near Granite Quarry, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-sized
Big
hail.
SVR!
Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salisbury, Spencer, Granite Quarry, Rockwell, Faith, Gold
There's
Hill,
no hope
and
for
High
you.
Rock Lake.
Mr.
For your protection,
259!
on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to
Another
the
big
National Weather Service by
SVR.
calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in North Carolina, Cabarrus, and Brand. 24. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a
Well,
severe
GSP
thunderstorm
is
warning
full of
for
situations.
in the Piedmont of North Carolina,
That's, you can say that 2 times over.
Piedmont of North The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Greenville County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northwest of Kannapolis, or near Mooresville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines.
I saw it on the radar before it was towed.
Include Kannapolis, Mooresville, China Grove, Landis, Indigo, Cottle Creek Reservoir.
6 hours in.
For your protection, move to an area room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP.
Well, you wish you went for this storm, but not the big one.
The event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Ardell, and Rowan.
That's just normal around here, isn't it?
This is the NOAA Weather Radio.
Well, the GSP, another one for Rowan and Cabarrus.
Mountain in Randolph, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.47.
What the? Hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include downtown Concord, Mount Pleasant, and West Concord. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page properly
or
activated
using
this
hashtag
game.
NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Cabarrus, North Carolina.
It's the third SVR for Cabarrus. Y'all.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Cabarrus, southeastern Iredell, and southwestern Logan counties. At 8:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
That's what I think of you, GSP.
5 miles northwest of Kannapolis. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. These are the 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Thursday, August 24th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Northeastern Jackson County and the Piedmont of North Carolina.
I had a feeling.
9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
Here it is.
Davidson, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include
You can
Huntersville,
tell by
downtown
the
Concord,
longer
northeast
headers
Charlotte, east
on
Charlotte,
an
northwest
EAS.
Charlotte, west Concord, Cornelius, Mooresville, Mount Holly, and Davidson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling
perfect
toll-free
activation SVR.
267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Gaston, Ardell, and Mecklenburg.
Well, I had a really suspicious feeling. Really
National Weather Service in
suspicious.
Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Ardell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North
Well
Carolina.
then, SVR for Davidson.
Consider hazard. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Newtonville, Conover, Catawba, Lookout Shoals, State Park, St. Stephen's, Lake Norman, and Sherrill's Ford. Outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Here is a special weather
They're
statement.
gonna tone it any
A
second.
strong thunderstorm will impact portions of David County through 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Yep. Oh crap! Catawba County! GSP!
Central Ardell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Newton, or near Conover, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour.
I had this really suspicious feeling.
Any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include...
Of course you didn't go off.
Claremont, Catawba, Lake Norman State Park, Lookout Shoals Lake, Sherrill Ford, Bandies, Terrell, and Oxford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Catawba and Ardell. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for...
Well, it's trying to DX KJY85, and GSP decides to do this bullshit.
At 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located...
GSP like the support supplies its yards for Catawba and Iredell counties.
Source.
Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Eastern
Got
Daylight
one for
Time,
Davidson
a severe
again.
thunderstorm was located over Lexington, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include High Point, Lexington, Thomasville, Linwood, Archdale, Trinity, Denton, Arcadia, Gordonton, and Welcome. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe storms with North Carolina. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m.
The severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties in North Carolina: Catawba and Ardell. The current time is 9:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, WXL 70 The National Weather Service in at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kannapolis, Downtown Concord, West Concord, Cornelius, Mooresville, Davidson, Harrisburg, Phoenixville, Mount Pleasant, and Charlotte Motor Speedway.
Dang!
Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a
Of course
building.
you didn't go off.
Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.
You weren't on alert mode because the power went out earlier.
15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Ardell, Mecklenburg, and Rowan.
It's GSP for you. They just pull an SVR out of your ass.
Radio, all hazards. WXL-70 broadcasting from the Northwestern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, located 11 miles northwest of Huntersville or near Westport, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Of course you didn't go off.
Penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations
Need to know it,
Cornelius, Mount Holly, Davidson,
GSP moment to
Westport,
cancel
Lake
the
Norman,
SVR just
State
to
Park,
reissue
River
it.
City, and Iron Station. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Catawba, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, and Mecklenburg.
Make that
Now
two.
here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast Georgia, Piedmont, North Carolina, western...
AHC going off.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina until...
I had a feeling that Fairfield was going to get involved. Crap, GSP.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Blackstock, or 9 miles north of Winsboro.
As daytime heating gets more intense.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees.
And you can see a 0.75 incher
Include Blackstock,
for Alexander County.
Lebanon Fire Station, Feasterville Fire Station, and Fairfield County Detention Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, South Carolina. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina.
This is what happens, man. Columbia deciding to pull a supplies. There it is.
Or 9 miles north of Winsboro. County in western North Carolina until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Here we
At 3:20 p.m. Eastern
go.
Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Taylorsville, or 6 miles north of Bethlehem, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard:
It
60
activated.
miles per hour wind gusts.
6 hours.
Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Taylorsville, Granite Falls, Bethlehem, Stony Point, Cedar Rock, Lake Hickory, Hinghide, Northwest, River in Alexander County, and Milledgeville.
Perfect
For your
activation.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Caldwell, and Catawba.
Oh, now it has a 1-inch hail indicator.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg. National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Taylorsville, near Stony Point, moving east at 15 miles. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines. Location
Get activated
include
properly.
Statesville, Taylorsville, Conator,
1 hour.
Troutman, Stony Point, Claremont, Catawba, Love Valley, Lake Norman State Park, and Lookout Shoals Lake. For your protection,
Big
move to an
storm.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Catawba, and Ardell.
Well.
Here is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will produce frequent clouds and ground lightning strikes, gusty winds, torrential rainfall.
Hey, see you again.
Areas will be possible. The strongest storms may produce damaging wind gusts and hail as large as thunderstorm warning for southeastern storms hailing near central Florida.
Crap, it's all the way down in Fair. Look at these storms. Everywhere, bro. Fairfield down there. Well.
Located near Lake Carolina, 40 miles south of Springdale, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lake Carolina, Trillium, Leatherwood, Smallwood, and Cedar Creek Fire Station. This includes Interstate 77 between mile markers 22 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, South Carolina.
How about that?
Until 5:50.
I missed that alert for Mecklenburg County.
Your message to describe the event and repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, and Union. The National Weather Service in Greenville.
Nice, GSP. Very nice. All because of a 1-inch hail indicator.
East Central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. North Central Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of downtown Concord.
Big steam moment for
at 10 miles per hour. Hazard.
Reeee.
Thunderstorm was located near Uptown Charlotte, or near the plaza, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
That escalated
Impact,
fast.
expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Uptown Charlotte, Central Charlotte, South Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, East Charlotte, Northwest Charlotte, Matthews, Indian Trail, Weddington, and Stallings. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds.
Yep, another 1-inch hail indicator.
National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page.
Gosh
or
dang,
tweet using
GSP.
#NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg and Union, and York, South Carolina.
Jeez.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast Georgia, Piedmont, North Carolina. County in central North Carolina until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
Oh shoot, life-threatening flash flooding, y'all.
Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albemarle, Wadesboro, Maiden Lake, Ansonville, Tyler, Polkton, Norwood, Baden, Oakboro, Mount Gilead, New London, Lylesville, Teakland, Uwharrie Haven, Lake Tillery, Morrow Mountain State Park, Blewett Falls Lake, White Store, and Finger. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Okay, Raleigh.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook.
Nothing like a surprise flood warning.
North Carolina. At 9:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, slow-moving thunderstorm thunderstorms are
6 hour
County
event.
from Scotts to Statesville to Cool Springs are producing torrential rainfall. Areas within the warned area have already seen 2 to 4 inches of rain with an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain possible. Flash flooding is imminent with significant flooding possible. Hazard,
Whoa.
life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding. Creeks and streams, urban areas, highways,
Considerable.
streets, and underpasses. Deeper flooding of common, flood-prone areas is likely, including farmland, parks, greenways,
is
road access
terrifying,
areas,
y'all.
golf courses, underpasses, and parking lots. Campgrounds adjacent to streams may see significant flash flooding. Rapid stream flows over roadways is likely with culvert washouts possible. A few low water crossings may become impassable. A few structures adjacent to streams may be inundated. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Statesville, Stony Point, Scotts, and Cool Springs. The greatest threat is currently along and near 4th Creek from Statesville and points east, including near Statesville Country Club, on 64, east of Broadseed Bell Farm Road, I-40,
Unrecognized
and Beechwood Farm Road.
message.
Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The current time is...
All right, GSP. Oh, God.
County in central North Carolina, southwestern Randolph County in central North Carolina, northeastern Stanley County in central North Carolina, until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:13 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Sleep is a number.
5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening
Is that
flash flooding.
supposed to be a 6 hour
Thunderstorms
event?
producing flash flooding. Source, radar.
It's not.
Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban
Big
areas,
green moment
highways,
for my
streets,
stupid
and underpasses.
259, boy.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albemarle, Troy, Maiden Lake, Bisco, Seagrove, Baden, Denton, Mount Gilead, Star, New London, El Dorado, Whippoorwill Campground, Highland Marina, Fishtails Marina, Morrow Mountain State Park, Monta, Newsom, Steves, Lake Tillery, and Uwharrie Haven.
Bunch
Turn
of
around,
nuts.
don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
30.
Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Flood advisory remains in effect until...
Yep. I knew it.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mecklenburg County in the
It was inevitable.
until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Indian Land, or near Expected to include Uptown Charlotte, Central Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte,
Huge
East Charlotte,
thunderstorm.
Northwest Charlotte, Pineville, Freedom Park, The Plaza, Hidden Valley, and South Park Mall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mecklenburg, North Carolina. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts to 1 to 2 is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding.
Are you kidding me?
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams.
Bunch of
areas,
floods.
Highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albemarle, Bacon Lake, Baden, Morrow Mountain State Park, and Lake Tillery. Turn around. Don't drown when
Bunch of-
encountering flooded roads.
Bunch of floods.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
You gotta love RAH.
Flood advisory in effect until 12
Wow.
Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday.
Another FFW from Ronnie.
Rainfall